Places to visit in Plovdiv. Number 10. Air Museum Plovdiv, located in Plovdiv. Number 9. Chiesa SS. Konstantin e Elena, located in Plovdiv. Number 8. Small Basilica of Philippopolis, located in Plovdiv. Number 7. Jumaya Mosque, located in Plovdiv. Number 6. Kapana, located in Plovdiv. Number 5. Alyosha, located in Plovdiv. Number 4. Park Tsar Simeon, located in Plovdiv. Number 3. Ethnographic Museum, located in Plovdiv. Number 2. Ancient Theatre of Philippopolis, located in Plovdiv. Number 1. Plovdiv Old Town, located in Plovdiv.